Nollywood actress Laide Bakare and controversial singer Portable are back in the spotlight after a heated online fight. It all started when Portable, whose real name is Abi Bolalomi Badmos, made a bold and offensive comment in a video. He said he wanted to sleep with Laide Bakare.
Àǹtí mo fẹ́ jẹ dòdò yín. Ṣé mo wá ń jà nọ́mọ́nọ́mọ́? Kí ló fàjà wá? Ẹ pè mí sí patí ẹ̀ ní ṣíṣì. Ọbẹ̀ mi sí ṣò, celebrity dẹ̀ ni yín. Lọ́ bá ń bínú mi, á lọ sọ̀rọ̀ pé mi fáìn ẹ̀ lọ́gẹ̀ mi sí ṣò. Mi ò fáìn, ike mo ní yàrá àdánúyà, I'm dirty boy from Sango, mo ṣe ń wọnú yín. So, ẹ̀yin lẹ pèjà.
And also brought up a past comment about Nigerians living in Libya.
Domestic work for people for Arabo, they call them Arabu house. Want to toss in lorry, then go shit for una head. They will not pay you. You will be working, so you have sponsor, somebody that will sponsor you there, just because you are so egocentric. Those jobs that are available here in Nigeria, you cannot do it. You prefer to go to Arab country where they will treat you like animal.
This didn't sit well with the actress. In her response, Laide Bakare posted a video warning Portable. She was visibly upset and questioned if he was mentally okay. She told him to let his head be correct and made it clear that she won't tolerate such talk.
Portable, I'm not sure you are okay. I'm not sure you are okay. Portable, this will be, in fact...
Portable didn't keep quiet. He went to the comment section of her post and reminded that they had been having issues for a while. He claimed that their feud started when she said women should cheat back if their husbands cheat. Laide once called Portable a dirty boy from Songwater on a talk show. She also denied ever asking him for a free show. Fans have taken sides, with many supporting Laide Bakare and criticizing Portable for being disrespectful. Some called him insensitive, while others warned that he might keep attacking her online for days. The drama between the actress and the singer has become a trending topic online. Many fans are calling for peace and more respectful behavior among celebrities. Share your thoughts with us in the comment box section below, and please stay tuned to Naija News TV.